Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radio since 1977. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. The Last Coat, cleans, shines, and protects. And by Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
All right, here is the side-by-side we saw earlier in the show. If you are a fan of UTVs, if you've got one that you take out on the weekends, well, you are going to need and love the Magic Creeper. All you have to do is throw it in the back with your gear and bring it along with you, and you can take it on the trails. It'll get you out of all kinds of trouble. We'll talk about that in a minute. But if you're getting ready to hit the trails, if you're a weekend warrior and you don't take these out very often, well, before you go, you can take the Creeper out, roll it underneath the vehicle, and you can use it to check all the fluids, check all the A-arms, make sure all the suspension's in place, all the boots are good, and you will be ready to go. Then, of course, you're going to check air pressure because that's awfully important when you're hitting the trail. So you can use the Magic Creeper as a knee pad, check the air pressures, do any tire maintenance, any wheel cleaning you want to do as well. This is great for cleaning your vehicle. And then, of course, once you hit the trail, the Magic Creeper is going to come in handy because you can't take a regular Creeper with you. It's got casters, so you won't be able to use it out in the dirt, in the gravel, anywhere over roots or anything like that. And you're not going to be able to fit a Creeper in the back of your vehicle. You don't want to bring it with you. It takes up way too much space. The Magic Creeper folds up nicely and only weighs 3 pounds. You won't even know you have it there. So if you've got an issue, if you've got something stuck under the vehicle, you can just take the Magic Creeper out with you. It'll go on any surface. It'll also keep you from getting dirty. The Magic Creeper takes all the dirt and you will not. So roll the Creeper underneath. If you got a twig or something like that you need to get out from under the vehicle, you can just cruise right underneath, and it'll give you flexibility. You can move from side to side and check out any problems with the suspension or anything underneath the UTV. You can use it in your car, you can use it in your truck, you can use it around the house, and you can use it out on the trail. It's the Magic Creeper, and you can only find the original at magiccreeper.com. Tribotex is famous for working in older engines, making them last longer and run better, even repairing some engines, Pasha. So why would I want to use Tribotex in a brand new vehicle?
You can use it in a brand new vehicle after first oil change because engine need to run in to proper surfaces. Once it's run in, it's in ideal condition. And you want to preserve that ideal condition for as long as you can. That's why would you apply ceramic nanocoating on the metal parts in the engine to make them more resilient to wear.
Where do you see the most significant wear inside the engine?
Inside of the engine, it's also, of course, it's the piston cylinder group, it's the valve train, camshaft, and most interesting application. Right now, with the engine rings being designed with the lower pressure, so they consume less fuel, they also consume more oil. And often even small amount of contaminants bring that oil consumption through the roof. Once you add Tribotex in some new vehicles that often consume oil straight from the factory, that consumption drops to zero.
How often then do you want to keep putting Tribotex in your new car as it goes through its life?
That is great for a consumer, not good for our business. It's one application for 40,000 miles, which is several years. So you can apply it and enjoy benefits for a long time.
Adding Tribotex to your engine is super simple, and it's an affordable way to keep your engine running for a long, long time. Check out the science at Tribotex.com. Every week, Motorhead Garage brings you cool technology like Tribotex and stuff you wish you'd have thought of, like the Magic Creeper. All great stuff for your vehicle, and we're going to do it once again next week, so be sure to tune in then. And in the meantime, you can check us out on our Facebook page and see what we're up to. You can also email Jeff at masterstv.com if you have a cool product you want to see on our show. Until next week, so long from all of us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.